देवी और सज्जनों, ladies and gentlemen, this is Dr. Ashok Kumar Batham. I have decided to present this video on anti-aging modalities. These anti-aging modalities are based upon our present day understanding of the age-related changes that occur at the cellular and molecular levels, also at the level of blood biochemistry and hormones that decline with the advancement of age. But before I go into the details of these measures, I would like to quickly tell you that the immediately available anti-aging measures include yoga, breath control and various yogic मुद्राएं. ये जो चीज़ें हैं हमारे देश में पहले से जानी जाती हैं और योगा के बहुत सारे गुरु हमारे देश में मौजूद हैं और योगा इज़ बीइंग प्रैक्टिस्ड एंड देयरफॉर our country has become the yoga guru for the entire world. So yoga is something which is highly helpful in maintaining good health and also enjoying a long life. Meditation likewise, and fasting, which is being practiced because of a variety of reasons in our country, including the religious reasons, has now been found to promote good health and long life by killing some cells that become very old, aged, what we call them senescent cells. So fasting is now being increasingly recognized as a very good method of enjoying good health and long life, and there is no need to tell you about the importance of physical exercise in maintenance of good health. The objective of today's video is to quickly apprise you of the various modalities that are available for maintenance of good health. Like we all know that despite of the good food and apparently good nutritional status which many of us enjoy, there are subclinical vitamin deficiency states that are responsible for various health issues like vitamin D deficiency, subclinical vitamin B12 deficiency, and deficiencies of other B complex factors, which many times go unrecognized. Likewise, we are now trying to understand the role of vitamin K in the maintenance of bone health in addition to anticoagulation of the blood. Likewise, B12 is also gaining increasing importance. I'm coming again to this subject of vitamin B12, and that way if I complete the list, vitamin A, E, C that are also important in maintaining good health, and the doctors do take care of these. In addition to vitamins, people talk about minerals, and many times we forget about iron, which is such an important element and is responsible for anemia even in well-to-do people. So iron, zinc, copper, selenium, etc. play very important biological roles in the maintenance of good health. Likewise, amino acids and fatty acids, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, are gaining increasing importance in the maintenance of good health. It's a quick reminder to you that hormone levels, particularly estrogens and progesterones, they decline significantly and bring about what we call menopause, or stoppage of menstruation, and the end of the reproductive life of a woman. So these hormones levels decline drastically and lead to very significant changes in the female body. In order to take care of various symptoms, we use replacement therapy for these hormones. So this is HRT for estrogens and progesterone, and likewise in male for dealing with the male menopause, we use testosterone in its various forms. 17 alpha estradiol has been developed very recently as a non-estrogenic estrogen, and all these hormones I'll cover when I'll talk to you in a special video on hormone replacement therapy, which is so very important in maintaining good health in both men as well as in women. Melatonin is now recognized as a sleep-inducing hormone released by the pineal gland located in the brain. And not only this, this hormone is considered as the most important antioxidant and is responsible for maintenance of good health. Human growth hormone is also used sometimes for the maintenance of good health. So these are certain hormone deficiencies which occur in relation to advancement of age, and these are all correctable deficiencies with appropriate hormone replacement therapy under the supervision of a qualified doctor. Other emerging available health maintenance agents include oleic acid, alpha ketoglutarate acid, in short aka alpha lipoic acid, ALA in short, coenzyme Q10 or ubiquinone, coenzyme Q10, quercetin, quercetin, spermidine, L-carnitine, arginine, proanthocyanidine. These names appear to be quite known to us, but the biological or the sound therapeutic rationale behind these agents is being understood in greater detail, and we got a very good in-depth understanding of the deficiency states caused by the absence of these substances. So many of those age-related problems are reversible with the use of these drugs. The list goes further on to include L-carnitine, arginine, and proanthocyanidine. And in India, we talk and we hear a lot about ashwagandha, chyawanprash, garlic, turmeric, and many others. I will be talking to you about each one of these agents in separate videos totally dedicated to these agents. Other drugs that are now emerging as potential anti-aging agents include the red-white active principle, resveratrol, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide NAD, nicotinamide mononucleotide NMN, nicotinamide riboside, that is NR, N-acetylcysteine, which we have been using for ages for the treatment of paracetamol hepatotoxicity, and a combination of N-acetylcysteine with glycine and serine or glutamine. That are the components of glutathione, which is again a very important antioxidant present all over the body but cannot be given orally or even parenterally because of its very, very short half-life. It disappears very rapidly from the circulation, and therefore this is not a good candidate to be used this way. You'll be happily surprised to find that a very commonly used drug which has been around for nearly 100 years, metformin, and is being used almost by every type 2 diabetic, metformin is finding application as a drug for arresting the aging process. Something similar to metformin is berberine, which is again of herbal origin. Berberine is also being used the way people use metformin. Again, I'll be devoting one videos each on metformin and berberine. Rapamycin, which is a drug used to prevent organ rejection in transplanted patients, and similarly another anti-cancer drug, dasatinib. These drugs are also very, very potential candidates to become anti-aging agents. An anti-diabetic, canagliflozin, is also being actively investigated for this purpose. So with this, I have tried to give you a list of agents that are emerging as potential anti-aging substances. In addition to vitamins, minerals, amino acids, fatty acids, and other biochemicals that are being employed today. Gene manipulations, stem cell therapy, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, anti-aging vaccine. These are very, very promising areas wherein we can achieve a lot in terms of arresting aging and advancement of good health and long life. So the list doesn't end here. There may be several other measures, but importantly, stem cell therapy is being practiced and is being talked out about in these parlors. Gene manipulations in the very near future will find a big role in terms of controlling the old age related problems. Hyperbaric oxygen given intermittently is being actively investigated in Israel, and similarly anti-aging vaccine is also being developed in a country like Japan. There may be others which I'll be talking to you in future. So with these, I would like to conclude this video, thanking you for watching and requesting you to hit the like button if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much once again.